What is going on, everybody? It's the Aviator here, back with another video. And today's going to be a trip report. Today is going to be American Airlines trip report again on the A320 this time. We're going to be taking the earliest passenger hop out of Memphis. We're going from Memphis to Charlotte. So this can be pretty interesting. Earliest flight out of Memphis again. It's currently 1:57 in the morning, so got to get up pretty early for this one. Boarding doors close in 3 hours, so we gotta kind of hustle over there. But yeah, it should be a pretty good flight. We arrive in Charlotte at 7:58 in the morning, and then depart again in a little while. So American Airlines changed this flight, or changed my trip, so I had to reroute. So I took this leg for another $6 extra. So the original trip was supposed to be from Memphis to Dallas to Chicago and back to Memphis, but I found this flight and then I booked it for an extra $6. So it's Memphis to Charlotte to Dallas to Chicago to back to Memphis, all in one day. So 4 legs in a day, most legs I've ever done in a day. So we'll see how this works. And I didn't get a wink of sleep last night, so we'll see if I can get some sleep on the airplane. But yeah, so if you guys enjoy this trip report, and have a great day. All right, everybody, welcome to Memphis International Airport, where the local time is 2:56 in the morning, and we're gonna be catching American Airlines flight, which is operated by American Airlines at 5:20 in the morning. So the earliest passenger flight out of Memphis today. We're going to be taking it, of course. Memphis is very empty, as you can tell. All around here, it's very empty. Of course, it's only 3 o'clock in the morning, so that's to be expected. But yeah, so we're going to get through TSA, and we'll see you guys after TSA. When you fly into Memphis in the early morning, don't expect anyone to be in the baggage claim area. You will find yourself all alone. With these flights coming from the night before. Now, once you get into the check-in area, there's going to be some more people there getting for their very early flights out of Memphis. And keep in mind, in most apps, you can check in on your phone 24 hours prior to your flight. At least for American Airlines you can, so you don't actually have to go up to the ticket counter every single time. You can just check in on your phone. In the main check-in area, we spent 50 minutes waiting because we got there a little bit too early. So if you're flying out of Memphis, make sure you get there after 4 o'clock in the morning. Walking through Concourse C at Memphis International. Alright, y'all, so I am officially past TSA and everything, and it is 4:10 in the morning. United Express, CRJ 700 in the background. Anyway, it's pretty empty, well, very empty. TSA opened about 8 minutes ago. I was the first one to go through. So, yeah, pretty empty here, as you can see from the footage before. But yeah, I mean, nothing really too special right now. The sun hasn't come up yet, so really it'd be difficult to get some good shots, but we'll see. Yeah, so boarding starts at 4:50 in the morning, and then our departure is 5:20. So we're gonna be on time, I'm pretty sure, unless something's wrong with the airplane. But yeah, so we'll see you later. If you walk far enough down in Concourse C, you'll find this. It's an abandoned ticket counter. You'll start to notice more and more people getting down to their gates, especially for this flight out to Charlotte that I'm catching, American Airlines 528 service to Charlotte. Soon enough, we already started the boarding process over to Charlotte. One thing I will mention is the flight crew on this flight was super nice and was super helpful. I actually got the chance to meet all of them before the flight, and they were just amazing. So huge shout out to those guys. Thank you for making my flight great.
the Neos, 321 Neos, 320 Neos.
Alright, now starting the infamous wide-angle seat review by the Aviator. We have this tray that came out. It was very wonky. I'm not sure what was up with that, but it came out at a really weird angle. I'm not sure what was up with that, but it didn't really have any problems putting up. It was just fine. Leg room was very good. I'm 5'8", by the way, so if you're 5'8", you can relate to this pretty well. You got a safety card. It comes in your seat back pocket, the American Way magazine, and a barf bag. There's also a lot of room to fit a drink or whatever. You have USB ports that come in very handy. You get your own armrest, and on both sides if your seat buddy is nice. The cabin is very, well, it's kind of like the A319, honestly. For the A320, there's really nothing different. The windows are pretty big, and sooner or later we started to push back.
With lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This does include e-cigarettes. It is against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy lavatory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide, move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and back of the airplane can be detached and used as rafts. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings, proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Your life vest is in a compartment under or next to your seat. Pull the strap to remove the life vest pouch. If equipped with elastic harness, remove that harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Attach the buckle and tighten. Inflate your vest as you leave the airplane by pulling down on the red tab or by blowing into the red tube. Never inflate the vest inside the airplane. All vests have a light that turns on automatically in the water. If necessary, an infant light.
Since we were very early in the morning and right before all the commercial jets come out, we had almost a direct takeoff, no wait at all, and I'll let you enjoy this. sooner or later, we were in the air and we had a beautiful morning sunrise at 32,000 feet over to Charlotte. And only 30 minutes in our cruising altitude, we started descending over the Smoky Mountains into Charlotte.
Seatbelt sign is eliminated. Please recheck the security of your seatbelts and remain seated for the duration of the flight. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Charlotte. Local time is 7:39. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. In an effort to create more space between customers on board the aircraft, we will deplane a few rows at a time, starting at the front of the aircraft. We ask everyone to remain seated until the row in front of you is cleared to prevent crowding in the aisles. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items like tablets and cell phones. Also, to help keep our cabin clean, please take any remaining waste items with you and place them in the trash bin as you exit the aircraft or inside the terminal. When you open the overhead compartments, please be careful. Items may have shifted in flight. At this time, you may now use your cell phone. On behalf of American Airlines and our One World partners, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We certainly do look forward to seeing you again on a future flight.
Once we were finally in Charlotte, we were the last to board the plane. It was a great flight. I rated about an 8 out of 10. Could have been longer. Well, I wish it would have been longer because it was so awesome. Charlotte is a very good airport, by the way. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give a like and subscribe for more content because it is coming soon. And if you guys have a great day.
Thank you, and have a good flight.